So first of all, a so-called court sentenced Mr. Umerov, the leader of Crimean Tatars, the deputy chair of Mejlis, to 2 years in prison for voicing his dissent over the illegal annexation of Crimea. We, as the European Union, do not recognize the illegal annexation of Crimea. We all, therefore do not recognize this court or the sentencing or the sentence that the court has given. We consider this as a violation of his human right, a further signal of deterioration of the rights of the Crimean Tatars. For us, it is also a violation of international humanitarian law. And we believe it needs to be reversed. And this is fully in line with our position that all illegally detained Ukrainian citizens, both in Crimea and in the Russian Federation, should be released. As you know, the European Union supports in a completely unwavering manner the territorial integrity and unity of Ukraine.